The smell of fresh bread. The most delicious start to the day with warm baked goods. In today's video, you'll follow Bob and Lisa. They're going to a new bakery together. They'll look at the products, place an order, and spend some time in the park. Let's begin.
Lisa, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Bob. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm great too. The weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny but not too hot. Perfect for a walk.
Absolutely. I checked the weather this morning. It's going to be like this all day.
Wonderful. So, what shall we do today?
I found a new bakery. Shall we go there first?
A bakery? What a great idea. I love the smell of fresh bread.
Me too. And there's a small park right next to it. We can eat our baked goods there.
Perfect plan. Is the bakery far from here?
No, it's a 10-minute walk. Very close.
Then let's go. I skipped breakfast this morning. I'm really hungry.
Me too. Let's head out. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, very well. I always sleep so comfortably when the air is cool.
Same here. I find it hard to sleep in winter, but when the weather warms up, it's lovely.
You're right. I love this time of year too, after the cold is over.
Let's go. Let's not waste this beautiful weather.
Wow, this place is so charming. The display window looks beautiful.
Yes, I walked past it last week. It smelled amazing. Let's go in.
The inside is so warm and cozy too. Wooden shelves, fresh flowers.
And the bread looks so fresh. I can see chocolate, cheese, olive.
Olive bread. I love it. Have you ever tried it?
Once, it was delicious. But I don't know what to get today. Everything looks good.
Same here. It's hard to decide.
Look, they've written on the window, today's special is apple tart.
Apple tart. I love apple tart. We have to get some.
Let's go inside first and ask the cashier.
Okay. This place looks really popular. There are other customers too.
Yes, that's a good sign. Popular places are usually good quality.
Hi there. Welcome. How can I help you? What would you like?
Hi, what do you recommend today?
The chocolate croissant is very popular today. It's been selling fast since this morning. We also have a cheese roll. Very fresh.
How is the cheese roll?
Very soft. It came out of the oven half an hour ago. It's still warm.
Wow, if it's still warm, I have to get one. I'll have one cheese roll, please.
And I'll have one chocolate croissant. Do you have any drinks?
Yes, we have filter coffee and latte. Small is $3, large is $4.
A large latte for me, please.
And I'd like a small filter coffee, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's everything. How much is the total?
One croissant is $2.50, one cheese roll is $2, one large latte is $4, one small filter coffee is $3. Your total is $11.50.
Here you go. $12.
Thank you. Your change is 50 cents. Your order will be ready in 2 minutes. Right over there, please.
Thank you.
Here you are. Your order is ready. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Next time, make sure you try our apple tart. It's very popular. I'm sure you'll love it.
Apple tart? We'll definitely be back. Thank you.
Was there apple tart in the display? I think I saw it earlier.
Yes, it's today's special. Very fresh. Made this morning.
Should we get some now or later?
Let's get it later. We'll pick it up on the way to the park.
It sells out fast. Come back soon.
Okay, we'll come right back. Thank you.
You're doing great so far. By the way, hello everyone, I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way. Did you notice the word recommend? It means to suggest something to someone. At a restaurant or bakery, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" The cashier will tell you the most popular or freshest item. And a quick grammar note. The cashier said, "We baked it just 30 minutes ago." We use just to mean a moment ago or very recently. I just arrived. I arrived a moment ago. She just called. She called a moment ago. It just started. It started very recently. Try to remember that one. Here's today's question. Will Bob and Lisa get the apple tart? The answer is coming up very soon. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even one word is perfect. Writing your answer in English is a great way to practice. Something interesting is about to happen. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Let's continue.
Yes, the street is really busy today. Everyone's out.
When the weather's nice, everyone comes outside. Let's dig in. Enjoy, Lisa.
Enjoy. This cheese roll is really soft, and there's so much cheese.
My croissant is amazing too. The chocolate is so creamy. Want to try some?
Can I? Hmm, it's really delicious. Next time I'll get a croissant too.
Let me try the cheese roll too. Do you mind?
Go ahead.
Wow, that's really good too. Both of them are great.
How's your coffee?
Really good. The milk is just the right amount. Not too strong, not too light. How about yours?
The filter coffee is so fresh. Filter coffee is my favorite. I make it at home all the time.
You make your own coffee at home? I can't do that. I always get it from a cafe.
It's actually very easy. I can teach you.
Really? Then you absolutely have to.
I wonder when this bakery opened.
I'm not sure, but it looks very new. Everything is clean and well organized.
The staff are so friendly. The cashier was very kind.
Yes, they treat customers really well. That matters a lot.
Absolutely. When the service is good, everything feels better.
So, Lisa, what are your hobbies? I'd love to get to know you better.
I love taking photos, especially food photos.
Food photos? That's so interesting. Did you take a photo of the bread too?
Yes, just took one. It looked so good.
Where do you share your photos?
On social media, my friends love them. They leave comments all the time.
That's great. I should try photography one day. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also love cooking, especially cakes and pastries.
Really? Then you're gonna love the desserts at this bakery.
I already love them. What about you, Bob? What are your hobbies?
I love listening to music. I always walk with my headphones on.
What kind of music do you listen to?
All kinds. Pop, jazz, sometimes classical. It depends on my mood.
Same here. When I'm happy, I listen to pop. When I want to relax, I listen to jazz.
We have a lot in common. Do you listen to music while you cook?
Always, I can't cook without music.
Same. Music makes everything more fun.
You cook too, don't you?
A little, but very simple things. Pasta, omelets.
Cooking pasta is nice. I love making pasta too.
Do you have a special camera for your photos?
No, just my phone. But it takes really good photos.
Phone cameras are so good these days. They look almost professional.
Yes. And I always have it with me, very practical.
Shall we go? The park is very close.
Okay, but wait, I still want to get that apple tart.
You're right. The cashier mentioned it. Let's go for it.
Welcome back.
Can we get some apple tart, please?
Let me just check if there's any left. Yes, there are 2 left. How many would you like?
2, please. We're taking them to the park.
What a lovely idea. Here you are. I'll pop them in a bag.
Yes, please. How much is it?
$5 for both.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. It'll be lovely in the park.
How many minutes is the park from here?
2 minutes. Very close.
Great. Let's go then.
Hold on. Let me take a photo. The window display looks so beautiful.
That's a photographer in you. Go ahead. I'll wait.
Done. It came out really well. Let's go. This park is so beautiful. The trees are so green.
Yes. Do you come here often?
Once or twice a week. I usually go for a walk in the evenings. You?
I come in the morning sometimes, but not enough.
Walking is really good for you, both for your body and your mind.
You're right. There's a nice bench over there. Shall we sit down?
Let's sit down and let's eat the apple tart.
Good idea. I've been curious about it.
The park looks big. I wonder how long it takes to walk around the whole thing.
I'm not sure. Maybe 20 minutes. Shall we try?
Let's try it. After we eat the apple tart.
Good idea. A little walk after eating is always good. This path through the middle of the park is really nice. Lots of people walking today.
Yes, families, dogs, cyclists. Everyone is enjoying the weather.
It's great that there's a place like this in the city. You forget you're even in the city.
Exactly. Sometimes I bring a book and just sit here for an hour. Very peaceful.
That sounds perfect. I should do that more. I spend too much time at home on weekends.
Me too, honestly, but today is already a great start.
Yes, fresh air, good food, good company. What more do you need?
Nothing. This is enough.
Do you have a favorite spot in the park?
Yes, near the pond, there's a big oak tree and a bench underneath. Very shady.
A pond? I didn't know there was a pond here.
Yes, on the other side. Small but lovely. Sometimes there are ducks too.
Ducks! I love ducks. Let's walk over there after the tart.
Definitely. And maybe we'll see a squirrel on the way.
Keeping my fingers crossed. I really want to see one.
They usually come out when it's quiet. If we walk slowly, maybe we'll spot one.
Okay, slow and quiet. Like bird watchers.
Exactly like bird watchers.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Enjoy. This is so delicious. The apple is so fresh.
It really is amazing. No wonder it's so popular. The cashier was right.
Yes, I'm going to try making apple tart at home.
Do you think you can?
I think so. I'll look up the recipe. Homemade is usually more delicious anyway.
True. My mom's cakes were always better than anything from a shop.
Mine too. There's just something special about homemade food.
I miss my mom right now.
Me too. The birds are singing so beautifully here.
Yes, it's such a peaceful spot. Right in the middle of the city, but so quiet.
I sometimes see squirrels here too. They're so cute.
Really? I've never seen one. I'll keep an eye out next time.
This corner of the park is so lovely. The flowers are blooming too.
Yes, those yellow flowers are beautiful. I wonder what they are.
Daisies, I think. Spring flowers.
Take a photo. You can post it on social media.
Great idea. I'm taking one now. Just a second.
Done? Did it turn out well?
It looks really good. Have a look.
That's beautiful. The colors are so vivid.
You know, I think I'll look for a baking class too. Not just recipes online.
A baking class? That's a great idea.
Yes, learning with someone is more fun than learning alone.
Completely agree. Maybe there's a class nearby. We could go together.
Oh, that would be so fun. Let's look it up this week.
Deal. Baker Bob and photographer Lisa.
I love that.
This morning has been so wonderful. The bakery, the coffee, the park, everything is perfect.
Yes, mornings like this are so rare. I usually just stay home on weekends.
Same, but we should really get out more. It's so beautiful outside.
Definitely. So, Bob, are you going to come back to this bakery?
Absolutely. I want to come back next week. You?
Me too. I want to try both the apple tart again and the other things.
Then let's come together next Saturday morning?
Saturday sounds great. What time?
Around 10. Not too early, not too late.
10 works. It's a plan.
Perfect. And maybe this time we'll try the olive bread too.
And I'm curious what the seasonal special will be. They might make something different every week.
Great idea. We'll have to ask.
Next time, the cashier will tell us all about the products again.
Yes, she really knew her stuff. Which product is fresh? Which one is popular? She knew everything.
And she explained it so warmly. You could tell she genuinely loves her job.
It really showed. People like that give off such great energy. This morning really was wonderful. Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you. You found the bakery and I just came along.
We discovered it together. That made it even better. You know what else I liked? The smell when we first walked in. Warm bread, coffee, cinnamon.
Yes, that smell alone makes you feel good.
I think that's why bakeries are so special. It's not just the food, it's a whole feeling.
Warmth, smell, friendly faces. It's comforting.
Exactly. Like a little escape from the busy week.
Well said, Bob. Well said. I should get going. What a lovely morning this was.
I really enjoyed it too. It's so nice spending time with you.
Thank you, Bob, for showing me the bakery.
Thank you. It wouldn't have been half as fun on my own.
True, it's always better when you share things.
Next Saturday, 10 o'clock. Don't forget.
I won't forget. I'll message you Friday evening.
Perfect. Take care on your way home.
You too. See you, Bob.
See you, Lisa. Have a great weekend.
You too. Today was really wonderful.
Next time we'll walk longer in the park.
Yes, and maybe we can have a picnic. We'll get the food from the bakery.
What a great plan. Let's do that in the summer.
Definitely in the summer. I'm already excited.
Me too. See you Saturday. Have a great week.
You too. Bye, Bob.
Next time we'll try the olive bread too.
Yes! And whatever the cashier recommends, we'll go with that.
Okay, we trust the cashier now.
Absolutely, she's wonderful. Oh, and one more thing. Next time, let's try that pond walk you mentioned.
Yes, the ducks are waiting for us.
Do you think they'll still be there next week?
I hope so. Maybe we can bring some bread from the bakery for them.
Perfect idea. Fresh bread from the bakery. Even the ducks deserve the best.
Exactly. Only the best for the park ducks.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and picked up some new English words and phrases. Before we finish, let's quickly go over a few key words from today's story. First word, fresh. It means newly made or recently prepared. We use it for bread or pastries that have just come out of the oven. The cashier told Bob and Lisa, "We baked it just 30 minutes ago. It's still fresh." Fresh products are always more delicious. Second word, recommend. It means to suggest something to someone. When you go somewhere new, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" Bob asked the cashier this, and she recommended the croissant and the cheese roll. Third word, popular. It means well-liked or in high demand. The cashier said, "Our chocolate bread is very popular today." If a product sells a lot and people love it, we call it popular. Now, back to our question. Did Bob and Lisa get the apple tart? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. I'll check them. And tell me, what do you love most from a bakery? Bread, cake, or something else? I'd love to know. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want more slow, easy English conversations like this one, subscribe to Learn English with Daniel and turn on notifications. That way you'll know the moment a new lesson goes up. I'll be back here soon with a brand new story just for you.